Maha suspense over new Chief Minister. Shinde 2.0 or return of Fadnavis. Ajit backs Fadnavis for top job. Shiv Sena demands second term for Shinde. Maha tug of war over Chief Minister post. Hectic parleys underway in Mahayuti. महाराष्ट्र का राजा कौन?
So after the BJP-led Mahayuti's spectacular victory in Maharashtra elections, the question is, who will be Chief Minister? Let me get you the latest from the Shiv Sena camp, and the Shiv Sena is rooting for Eknath Shinde to continue as Chief Minister. Shiv Sena sources are telling India Today, it's only Eknath Shinde, the grassroots man, the man who's truly inherited the mantle and the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. And the voters have voted for him as the real Shiv Sena. Only he can keep the Uddhav Sena in check. Shiv Sena sources are telling India Today that Shinde can consolidate on this victory, consolidate the Maratha pride for future victories, and not just in the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, but in the municipal elections that are coming up in a couple of months. So Sena sources are saying it's the Shinde that destroyed the Congress in its stronghold. Sena sources are also saying that continuity at this point of time, it's extremely important to build on the good governance model that the people have voted for, especially after the setback in Lok Sabha elections. It's just months after that that the spectacular victory has come, and that is why it's the Shinde-led government that killed the anti-BJP sentiment that was emerging in Lok Sabha. At least that is what the Shiv Sena camp is telling India Today reporters. And I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Piyush Mishra for more on this. Piyush, we are told there are prayers that are going on, there are meetings that are going on, and there is hectic lobbying for Eknath Shinde to remain Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But bring us the thinking. Why is it that Shiv Sena wants the Bihar model to be followed in Maharashtra?
Well, absolutely, Gaurav. One thing is very clear that right now, as we are speaking, Shinde Sena, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena is playing hardball for the top post in the state of Maharashtra, and they are not, compromising on chief ministerial post, and that is why what we are learning from our top sources from Shiv Sena that just after the debacle which Mahayuti faced in Lok Sabha, it was Eknath Shinde's governance which has helped to fight the anti-incumbency. It has also helped the BJP to grow. This is what Shinde feels. We are also saying, sources are telling us that the Marathi votes are going to be consolidated and will continue to support Mahayuti if Eknath Shinde once again made Chief Minister. At the same time, they are stressing upon the fact that very soon, in few months from now, we will have BMC elections and then municipal corporation elections across the state, and only the good governance model of Eknath Shinde can help the Mahayuti alliance to once again win over the heart of people. There are also the fact that the good governance model which has been given by Eknath Shinde should not be stopped, and looking at that only people have voted. One thing which we have also observed, Gaurav, is that in the past few days, even BJP leaders have also accepted that the Ladki Behna Yojana has done wonders for Mahayuti alliance. Now we'll have to wait and watch how things are further going to move from here. Eknath Shinde is playing hardball. At the same time, BJP workers are also demanding that Devendra Fadnavis should be made Chief Minister.
You know, last time it was Devendra Fadnavis who made that big sacrifice. And that was for the sake of the alliance, for the alliance to move forward, point one. Point two, he's also being credited for taking the Sangh, their help, the 60,000 odd meetings that were held. In all of it, he's the architect, as they say, for BJP's best ever performance of 132. BJP Karyakartas want him to be Chief Minister to take that victory forward. So what is the middle ground in this? How do they work on this when they meet the central leadership?
Well, as far as this meeting is concerned, what we are learning, Gaurav, is that by today evening, there could be a meeting of all these three leaders, and then tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we can expect a decision also coming in from the top Mahayuti leadership. What we are told is that these three leaders are likely to go, Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde are likely to go tonight in Delhi. They are going to attend the reception of marriage of Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's daughter. There, after that itself, there could be a meeting with Amit Shah, and then we can expect a decision to be taken. But
what's extremely interesting, Piyush, stay with me. We'll carry this conversation forward, because Ajit Pawar has also weighed in favor of Devendra Fadnavis. But all eyes on that big question: who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra? As Piyush Mishra was just telling us, the Shiv Sena is bargaining hard. In the Shiv Sena, the chorus is for Eknath Shinde to continue as Chief Minister, because they say he's the one who was able to convince all the Shiv Sainiks across Maharashtra that it is Eknath Shinde and that Shiv Sena that's the true inheritor of the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray, the Hindu Hriday Samrat. He's the one who stayed on the agenda and ideology of Balasaheb Thackeray. But there are others who say that Mahayuti did not project him as the chief ministerial face. Will it be Devendra Fadnavis? Will it be Eknath Shinde? Can there be a dark horse? Will Maharashtra witness Shinde 2.0, or will Devendra Fadnavis return as the chief minister of Maharashtra? We bring you more in this report.
After the historic landslide in Maharashtra, the race to become Chief Minister begins in all earnest. Current Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis are the top contenders. The Shiv Sena is rooting for Shinde big time. A party MP has demanded the Bihar NDA model in Maharashtra.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बिहार में संख्या बल देखा नहीं, लेकिन छोटी पार्टी है, उसको बड़ी करने के लिए नीतीश कुमार को सीएम पद दिलाया। वैसे ही एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को सीएम पद मिलेगा, ये हमें विश्वास है।
BJP leaders are maintaining silence on the issue, saying the decision will be taken by the party top brass.
केंद्र के हमारे वरिष्ठ नेतृत्व जो है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी है, अमित भाई है, हमारे नड्डा जी है, हमारा केंद्रीय एक पार्लियामेंट में बोर्ड होता है, तो उसमें सारी चर्चा होगी। अभी वो चर्चा करना नेतृत्व का सवाल है, नेतृत्व चर्चा करता है, तो मुझे लगता है जब भी बैठक होगी इसमें निर्णय होगा।
Amid the suspense, sources tell India Today Ajit Pawar is backing Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister. What has squared the pitch for Chief Minister Shinde is the big majority won by the alliance. The BJP on its own is just a few seats short of majority. While Shinde camp is claiming Shiv Sena UBT MLAs are in touch with them, the NCP is making similar claims about NCP SP MLAs.
कल रात से ही शिंदे साहब के संपर्क में 4-5 एमएलए है, उनका क्या करना है, कैसा पार्टी में लेना है, वो फाइनल बाद में किया जाएगा।
As the suspense over Chief Minister continues, all eyes are on the BJP leadership. The top brass is known to throw up surprises. Will it throw another googly or stick to tried and tested names for Chief Minister post? Bureau Report, India Today.
Let me now quickly take you to the Siddhivinayak temple in Mumbai. Eknath Shinde's supporters, party workers and patients who got medical relief from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. They're performing Aarti at the Siddhivinayak temple and they are praying for Eknath Shinde to remain Chief Minister of Maharashtra. I want you to take a look at these images. This is how all sides are now leaving no stone unturned to ensure that their candidate, their person becomes or remains the Chief Minister. But will there be a dark horse in this race? That remains the big question. So let's quickly discuss the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities and the threats for both the candidates, whether it's Eknath Shinde or Devendra Fadnavis. Let's talk about Devendra Fadnavis first. He is an experienced political leader. He's held this campaign for the elections as far as the BJP and the Mahayuti are concerned, and he's the one, whether it's that Sajag Raho rallies to ensure that everyone stayed united, or seeking help of the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. That's point one. Let me now take you through the second point, and very, very important. He's a political leader. He has the backing of not just the urban middle class, but he has an appeal that's immensely backed by the organization, not just the Bharatiya Janata Party, but also the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, because the Sangh also held not just 1, 2, 20 or a couple of thousands, but by some accounts close to 60,000 small meetings and rallies and sabhas to ensure that Devendra Fadnavis was, his message or the BJP's message went to every nook and cranny of Maharashtra, especially in the Vidarbha or the Marathwada belt, where the challenges were immense. He has strong media presence. Communication skills are extremely strong. So that's the strength. What about weaknesses? Well, his profile diminished after Mahayuti's victory initially, when instead of him becoming chief minister, it was Eknath Shinde who became chief minister. Then that balance, that struggle to balance whether it's the urban voter or the rural voter, there are challenges from the Maratha lobby because he is a Brahman leader. So that is something that's held against him at times. But then, what are the opportunities? He's worked extremely hard. He can reclaim the mantle. He can reclaim the leadership. He can consolidate the support that he enjoys, not just within the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, but very powerful leaders within the BJP. The Prime Minister, we are told, is said to be very fond of him, of his hard work. So within the BJP and in the Mahayuti, he's seen as someone who's very popular. He also has a nationwide appeal. Now, when the opposition is fragmented, he's seen as a leader who can actually consolidate himself. The threats, of course, remain. Rivalries within the BJP, that's seen as a big threat. Shinde's growing influence in Maharashtra, that is seen as a threat because he is, Shinde is seen as that Maratha leader. He's addressed the farmers' grievances. The Ladki Behan goes in favor of Shinde. So those are things that can be seen as a threat for Devendra Fadnavis. But let's now talk about Eknath Shinde. Now, what are his strengths? He was the chief minister when the Mahayuti won its historic landslide victory in Maharashtra, the best ever for any coalition to cross the 200 mark, and 235 is a huge number. He's the one, Eknath Shinde, the son of the soil, seen as the true inheritor of the legacy of Bala Saheb Thackeray. He did not stray from the Hindutva of Bala Saheb Thackeray, the unadulterated Hindutva of Bala Saheb Thackeray. He did not stray an inch from that. His women-centric schemes like Ladki Behan, that was considered as a game changer in Maharashtra. Then the Maratha appeal, his grassroots connect from an auto rickshaw driver to the chief minister. The gates of Varsha were always open 24/7 for anyone to come in and air their grievances and seek grievance redressal. So that goes in his favor. Weaknesses. Over-reliance on the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now that is something that goes against him. Though he led the Shiv Sena to a 57 MLA victory, but reliance on Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. So that limits his autonomy. Divided Shiv Sena loyalties. Yes, he's the inheritor of the legacy. Yes, what is going in his favor are some of the leaders saying that even those in Uddhav Sena now want to, some of them at least want to jump ship and join this Shiv Sena. But then he could be seen as someone who is a Maratha leader. He was chief minister, but since the BJP is the bigger party with 132 seats, the BJP could say chief minister hamara hoga. Opportunity. This is the opportunity to solidify, as his supporters say, the Mahayuti leadership. Expand the Shiv Sena voter base across Maharashtra, build a strong image as the inheritor of Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy as the Hindutva leader in Maharashtra. Right. He does face an immense challenge, as you can see here, from BJP leaders. Devendra Fadnavis is a very, very strong leader. Now, if he's unable to deliver on the promises that have been made, that could erode his leadership. So that's also a threat that he faces at this point of time. But amidst all this, what's happening in the Mahavikas Aghadi? In a scathing attack, Sena UBT, Uddhav Thackeray group MP Sanjay Raut, he's actually slammed Eknath Shinde. He slammed Eknath Shinde, saying, who is Eknath Shinde? He can never inherit the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray. The legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray remains with Uddhav Thackeray. Shinde will not be chief minister. The BJP will have its own chief minister. Sena UBT is intact, insists Sanjay Raut. Those who wanted to leave have already left. Those who remain will remain with Uddhav Thackeray, and there is no question, according to Sanjay Raut, of anyone else inheriting Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy. That remains with Uddhav Thackeray.
पर अब क्या ये माना जाएगा कि बाला साहब की जो विरासत है वो एकनाथ शिंदे ने पूरी तरह से ले ली है?
कौन एकनाथ शिंदे? ठीक है, मुख्यमंत्री बना, मोदी शाह की मदद से अब उनके लोग चुनकर आए, लेकिन बाला साहब ठाकरे की विरासत तो असली शिवसेना लेके जाएगी, उद्धव ठाकरे लेके जाएंगे, हम लोग लेके जाएंगे।
आंकड़े तो नहीं दिखाते ना।
आंकड़े में क्या होता है? हमारा आंकड़े पे विश्वास, हम संगठन पे विश्वास रखते हैं। जो हमारा संगठन है, पावर पे नहीं, सत्ता पे नहीं। सत्ता आती, सत्ता चली जाती है। संगठन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, जो आज भी जमीन पर है।
So Mosmi Singh of India Today, they're speaking to Sanjay Raut, Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray MP, who insists that the legacy remains with Uddhav Thackeray. He says, don't go for numbers, go for the core strength, the organizational strength, and at least he thinks that Uddhav Sena remains intact. But is that actually true? Because there are reports of a discord not just within the Mahavikas Aghadi after that crushing defeat, but there are also reports that members of the Legislative Assembly of the Shiv Sena and the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, at least 5 to 6 of these MLAs are in touch with the Mahayuti and want to jump ship. They want to cross over from the Mahavikas Aghadi to the Mahayuti to join the alliance in the next couple of months. And this after an intense blame game between the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders after the Maha rout in Maharashtra. Our Maharashtra Bureau gets you more.
After humiliating Maharashtra defeat, Mahavikas Aghadi alliance may be facing a rebellion. Multiple Aghadi MLAs are said to be in talks with the Mahayuti to jump ship. Shiv Sena claimed that several MLAs from Uddhav Thackeray's party are looking to switch sides.
कल रात से ही शिंदे साहब के संपर्क में 4-5 एमएलए है। उनका क्या करना है, कैसा पार्टी में लेना है, वो फाइनल बाद में किया जाएगा। अभी तो आज का मीटिंग जो था उसमें गठन नेता करके माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को
यूबीटी के विधायक आना चाहते हैं शिंदे?
नहीं, यूबीटी का मैंने बोला कि आना चाहते हैं, वो 4-5 लोग हैं, उनके बारे में बाद में सोचा जाए।
A similar claim was made by Ajit Pawar's NCP.
लगातार जैसे रिजल्ट आना चालू है, तब से जो आघाड़ी के लोग थे, जिन चिन्हों पे वो चुनाव लड़ रहे थे और पराभूत हुए, उन्हीं के साथ में हमारा संपर्क हुआ और जीत गए। और जीतने के बाद भी कुछ ऐसे एमएलए है कि उनको अभी महसूस होने लग गया कि अभी यहाँ पर विरोध में रह के, जहाँ पर विरोधी पक्ष नेता जो है, विपक्ष का जो नेता है, वो भी नहीं चुन सकते, तो वहाँ रह के अभी हम लोग आगे क्या करेंगे। और जो लोगों को सीट बंटवारे में इधर उधर समझो सीट जाने की वजह से उधर चले गए थे, वो भी अभी पार्टी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं।
While many Aghadi leaders are blaming EVM tampering, Congress MP Karti Chidambaram vouched for EVMs as fail-proof.
I have been
in participating in elections which have been using EVM since 2004. I personally have had not had any bad experience. Neither do I have any evidence to suggest that there is any kind of manipulation or tampering. If others have some sort of doubt about the efficacy of the EVM, it's really for them to say. But I personally do not have any doubts or about the robustness or the efficacies of EVM.
The embarrassing defeat has also led to infighting among Aghadi partners. On Sunday, Congress's Maharashtra in charge, G. Parmeshwara, openly blamed Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar for failing to back Congress candidates.
ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಶಿವಸೇನೆದವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಸೇನಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಶರದ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ.
Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi too blamed Congress for Uddhav Sena candidate's defeat. Will the crushing defeat lead to more internal discord in Maha Vikas Aghadi? With Piyush Mishra in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
So as this race to be Chief Minister of Maharashtra intensifies, Devendra Fadnavis is heading to Delhi. Devendra Fadnavis has left for the national capital is what we are hearing. I quickly want to cut across to Piyush Mishra. Piyush, for the Maha Vikas Aghadi, it seems to be splintering even further. For the Mahayuti, the challenges remain. Who will be Chief Minister and how will they placate other members? So what's the thinking within?
Well, Gaurav, what we're now learning is that Devendra Fadnavis has left for Delhi and he is going to attend a private function, and after that he can also meet with top leadership there in National Capital, and after this meeting we can expect some sort of decision coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party. You know, in the last 2 to 3 days we have seen one thing, that NCP and Shiv Sena have held their legislative assembly party leaders meeting, but BJP has not done so far. Then this is very interesting, and after Devendra Fadnavis comes back from Delhi, we can expect that to take place, and decision for announcement of Delhi of Maharashtra Chief Minister could take 2 to 3 days more, because Shiv Sena right now is playing hardball and they want that Eknath Shinde should continue as the Chief Minister. They are also pushing for Eknath Shinde's name because they are vouching for good governance which has been done by him. We'll
keep tracking that story. I will come to you for more. In midst of all of this, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, he's endorsed Devendra Fadnavis, saying he's come from the party that got the largest number of seats. Incidentally, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar jokingly told his nephew Rohit Pawar that he barely survived winning his seat, crediting his own absence for Rohit's narrow victory. Ajit Pawar and Rohit came face to face at the memorial of the state's first Chief Minister, YB Chawad, in Karad on his death anniversary. Listen in.
दर्शन के दर्शन काकाचं मला तरी गाण्या थोडक्यात वाचला माझी सभा झाली असती तर काय झालं